This is the Aicoco onAir, a little device that packs everything you need for a wireless 4K livestream and more. I've had this pre-production unit for a few weeks now and it's been a bumpy ride, but I'm ready to share my thoughts. Let's check it out. Starting with the unboxing, you get the Aicoco onAir itself, user guide, USB-C charging cable, 1/4-inch mount adapter, and carry pouch. A very simple package, but you have everything you need to get started. Although I do wish that they included something like a mini tripod inside. Now to the physical aspects of the device. At the front, you have the camera, status and power indicator, touchscreen display, power button, and shutter button. On the right is the speaker, 1/4-inch port, ventilation outlet, and 3.5mm audio jack. On the left, you'll find the battery cover and the USB-C port. The micro SD card slot is located inside the battery compartment and the device can support up to 1TB of storage. Moving on, at the top is the omnidirectional microphone and at the bottom is another 1/4-inch port. Last but not least, at the back is a ventilation inlet. One cool thing about the camera module is that it is rotatable. So you can either be a one-man show and look at yourself or rotate the camera and have someone else help manage the stream. Now that we've taken a look around the device, let's power it on and check out the display. At the top, you have information about storage, working mode, network connection, and the battery level. At the bottom, you have a few shortcut buttons such as for zooming in, stabilization, and live stream details. These shortcuts will depend on the working mode that you're in. The display also supports gestures. Swiping down will show you the working modes, swiping up will take you to the settings page, and swiping right brings you to the gallery. By now you must be wondering, what are these working modes that I keep mentioning? Basically, you can use the Aicoco in these 4 ways: video recording, live stream, wireless web, and USB webcam. Since this is a pre-production unit with beta software, I'm only going to be testing the video recording and live stream feature. This is enough for us to assess the capabilities of the device, especially for video and audio quality. This is a 4K 25p video test. The audio is also coming straight from the device. I have a key light in front of me to give the best chance possible for this camera. I'm not sure if it's the display, the sensor, or some software optimization, but the video quality, the first impressions is just a bit average. I have a feeling it's the display because I know that this sensor is capable of so much more. Lots to unpack here. Let's start with audio. Surprisingly, not that bad at all. There is a bit of a high-pitched hiss, but I can work on that in post-processing. My biggest concern is that the hiss is audible during the live stream because you're obviously sending a live feed online, and so far I don't see any audio filters such as a high pass or noise cancellation. Moving on to the video, I was quite disappointed with the 4K quality. On the spec sheet, it's running a Sony Starvis 2 CMOS sensor with HDR and 8-bit color support, and yeah, it looks nothing like what it's supposed to. I'll cut them some slack because it's a pre-production unit and it's clear that there is a lot of room for improvement. Such as the companion app. Despite changing the language to English, some of the words are still in Chinese. Don't ask me why. Anyway, for the next test, live streaming, we do need the companion app to set it up. Press the live stream button and choose your platform of choice. Here you can configure your settings, include a title, and perform the account login. Before you proceed, I would highly suggest that you get everything ready because there is no countdown, you will immediately go live. So I've ran a few test streams on my channel, you can find one of them linked below. In terms of the video quality, it's about the same as the local video recording. My main issue is the significant delay in the video feed. It's a lot more than the usual delay of 10 to 12 seconds for a live stream. I believe that this is simply an optimization issue rather than a platform problem because even when previewing the camera feed from the app, there is a noticeable delay, and that's a direct Bluetooth connection. So with those 2 tests out of the way, let's wrap the video up. I really like the idea and vision that Aicoco has, which is an all-in-one compact device that can do 4K live streams. We've seen an increase in demand from these type of devices such as the YOLO Box and Holy Land Venus Live, which by the way are great devices for more complex and professional live streams. The Aicoco onAir is filling a gap in the market for a small and simple device. Not everyone wants to set up a camera, get an external microphone, run it through OBS, and a ton of other steps. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best. With that being said, the current implementation has left a lot to be desired. It's clear that this device is not ready for public release, but I applaud the team for pushing updates almost every week. If they can address the video quality, audio hiss, and user interface for both the device and the companion app, I believe that they would have a solid device to bring to the market. So that's it for this video, just a quick look at the Aicoco onAir. There are some things that I couldn't test due to the ongoing development of the project. In terms of pricing, the onAir will retail for $399, and depending on which platform they release on, there should be early bird discounts. Check out the description box below for the latest on this project. Thank you so much for watching. I really wish the best for this project, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!